Good morning. Morning of day 2. It did not get as cold as it did 2 nights ago. I think also I was better fed. Chocolate and peanut butter help. Wow, what a beautiful morning. Super calm. Sun's only been up for 20 minutes, half an hour. Wow, look at this. It's beautiful out.
Northwest 3 knots.
Morning weather.
Airport reported winds were calm. Throughout the region, it was clear. It was 30 at Houghton Lake, 37 at Traverse City, 35 at Gaylord, 30 at Pale.
So I think more of what we had yesterday, but not as windy and warmer. That'll be nice. Alright, time to put all of this mess back in the kayak. This is always the toughest part of the morning. Alright, nearly all packed up. I am wearing my shorty today. It already feels warmer. And it's supposed to be warmer and not as windy, so. I love how quiet it is here. I keep saying that. I love how quiet it is here. Okay. Out of the rock garden. I love loons. Okay, that's enough. We'll leave them be. So I've come to the extreme west end of Drummond Island now, and straight across the channel is the mainland, and that's where I'm going. It's basically midday, so I've got plenty of time. I'm going to go for it. This is really, I think this is the last decent crossing of the trip. Might hop over some bays on the way in, but this is the only true crossing. Cool. It won't take them too long. It's not that big. There's not much going on now. But this is one of the busiest commercial shipping lanes in Michigan. Most of the, pretty much all the traffic that goes from Lake Huron into Lake Superior comes right up and down this channel, down this passage. But right now, just me and a bunch of fishermen. I'm back on the mainland. I crossed back over from the island early afternoon, and it's not very far away. I can still see the outer edge of the island right there. Welcome to another episode of Backcountry Cooking with Tim. That's not what I'm calling that, I'm just making dinner. So I'm going to do some quesadillas. So I got some tuna and cheese and spices and stuff in there. Got my tortillas. I'm gonna cook up some garlic and shallots to add into my mix. Then I'm gonna throw the tortillas in the mix in there and cook them up and do kind of one at a time, and it'll be delicious. All right, so the tough part with camp cooking, especially on a whisper light, is that whisper lights have two settings, either off or escape velocity. So doing something like a tortilla where you want it to kind of crisp up and melt but not burn, kind of tough. I will persevere though. If not, I'll just eat it like a taco. One way or another, I'll still eat it. It'll be delicious. I'm hungry. I think it's working. Just did the very precarious flip off camera because I don't want you to see it if I fucked it up. Hey, it's looking pretty good. The cheese is even melting a little bit. Hope it tastes good. So I didn't screw it up, but I just made a tactical error because I don't have a plate. Got it. Yeah. I'm sorry, I may have just eaten it all. It was really good. I'm surprised how good it was. I'm also camping. Everything tastes better when you're camping, but this, I mean, tastes like a quesadilla. Now to clean up the mess. Ah! What a lovely evening to a wonderful day. Nice view, nice breeze, nice cup of tea, full belly. One more day to go and then this shakedown will be complete. Gather round and hear the voice of the future.
Highs in the lower 70s. Southwest winds 5 miles per hour. Monday night,
I think I just missed it. Crap, now I have to wait for it to come all the way back around.
Tuesday night.
One of my favorite things about traveling slowly, either kayak, bike, by foot, whatever, it doesn't matter. But when you travel slowly and you see the landscape change, I love that feeling. Seeing the land that you're in change as you move through it at such a slow pace really makes you realize how big the world is. You don't get that when you just drive by in a car. You just, to feel small in a place, you gotta go slow. And if you're going maybe only a little bit faster than you would walk in a kayak, it's a great way to do it. But with that, it's been a wonderful day on the water. One more day, one more full day of this little shakedown trip of mine. All right, that's it. Not talk to cameras like a weirdo out in the woods all alone because we haven't had any human contact for the last 3 days. Otherwise I just have Weird Al and Stan Rogers and Frank Turner songs playing in my head on repeat all day, which isn't bad, but it gets kind of repetitive. I don't care about Tuesday night. It's gonna be like tomorrow. I had to set my tent up around the rock